Hello, welcome to FBF Flair barging tutorial video, and this is lesson number 36, and my name is Yuvraj, and today I'm going to introduce one of my best Flair bartender or Nepal top Flair bartender, Mr. Santosh Acharya. So here is Mr. Santosh Acharya.
Hello everyone, my name is Santosh from Bartender Academy, and today I'm going to teach you one of my best Flair tricks.
Have a go.
And this is the tricks you're going to learn today. Yeah, so I'm gonna break down this trick for you. For this, we start with side double flip. Side double flip, behind the head, arm roll, balance. Yeah, for the second, we start with tin, throw tin, back to back, same hand, double flip. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third part is reverse arm roll and pour with a reverse grip. For this pouring technique, you need to go with this basic first. Catch. Here, 1. Catch. And here's the full trick.
So I hope you learned these techniques, and thank you Mr. Santosh Acharya for these lovely tricks, and thank you for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on next video.